This is my scale build of the Williams FW24, the 2002 Formula One car driven by Ralf Schumacher and Juan Pablo Montoya. Every component is being designed from scratch, from the suspension and brakes to the engine internals. The goal is to capture the engineering and detail of the real car as accurately as possible. The build is still in its early stages, but it's starting to take shape. Follow along to see the entire project come together, piece by piece.